Whoa, whoa, those breasts look so sweet to suck, man. Oh, wow, wow. Yo! Well, well, well. Finally. Just finally. Jade, it's been a while. It's been a while. Since you gave us that one song, I was waiting very patiently for this track, right? Now, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, now briefly. Guys, look, this is a reaction channel. And I need you all to understand that I pause a lot. I pause like every 10 seconds for every one of my reactions. For some videos, it may be longer, and for some, it will be 10 seconds. Right? So I don't need anyone to make any form of justification about me pausing too much. It's actually a reaction channel, and I should respect YouTube fair use. Right? You guys should know the song, or if you guys want to listen to the song fully, please go ahead, check out her song. Her song is on our official Vivo. This is a reaction channel. We stop to react. We stop to talk. Right? So just that I'm trying to get out of the way. So guys, we're gonna react to Jade Midnight Cowboy. Look, this is gonna be a banger. It's gonna be a badass song, right? One question. To anyone who's watching this video is a fan of the legend Bob Marley, please let me know down in the comments, and let's see what Jade will do in this wonderful midnight in the cowboy town. Peace. Warning. This film contains flashing images that may cause discomfort or trigger seizures for people with many photosensitive.
Ladies and gentlemen, dames and dames, hold on tight.
Wow, wow. Now I can see what everyone is talking about. Now I can see why there's a warning sign. I love this. I will love this.
Is about to begin. Flash photography and video.
Wow, wow, wow. She's magnificent. She is magnificent. She looks beautiful.
Is encouraged.
Yo, if she's doing any form of modeling, bro, she's hot. She's sexy. She's beautiful. She's like a morning star. She's bright enough to be my morning star. To be honest, I'm not kidding here. Yo, 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 yo. Yo. This is what I miss, right? Her magical voice. Her voice that literally is very substantial to me. I'm not sure about anyone else, but her voice is something that is very substantial to me. I would sit and I would listen to her voice all day. In fact, I would put her on my television to watch her all day because she's sexy as fuck. Damn. Damn. Awesome. Awesome, bro. I am loving when females giving energetic movement, because she's very energetic. She's not scared to dance. She's just this beautiful, sweet aroma. Damn, bro.
I'm a real wild bitch, yeah, I'm mental. I'm the ride of your life, not a rental. I'm the editor, call me Mr. Info. No vanilla, let's experimental. I'ma show you the ropes.
When you talk about exquisiteness, when you talk about brilliant moves, when you talk about dancing, when you talk about, being energized, we have to form our inclusion with Jade. She never fails, bro. Look, the first time I seen this woman, I was like very delightful. I give my reaction to her because she's very delightful. I mean, like, she's someone who we can watch every day. She's someone who we can be like happy while we're watching. She gives this beautiful sense of humor, and I respect that so much.
Get your whipped on her, and I know you needed something you could sing for. I'm about to perform like I'm on tour. Baby, glad for the encore. Giddy up, it's the wild, wild west, and I think it's about time for the midnight.
Yo, her vocals is beautiful. Her voice is freaking phenomenal. Damn, bro. She gives this phenomenal feeling when we do listen to her. She gives that vibe when she's there doing her performance, when she's there singing her music. This song is amazing. Do not underestimate this song.
Cowboy. Giddy up, it's the wild, wild west, and you know I come sneak since the midnight cowboy.
Yo, to be honest, bro, she's gorgeous. She's one of those women I will look onto and say, hey, I will marry you someday, or I would marry you someday. Trust me, she's a person who fits for the wife material. Can someone please let me know if she's already married? Because I'm not in for that game, bro. I'm not in for that game. But regardless of that, bro, I'm going to keep flirting with her.
Hey, better buckle up now, get a little nasty. Take it to the old club. Hey, never find a last to show you what the back.
Yo, even though her body is covered with that clothing, bro, her ass is fat, man. Like, she's sexy, bro. She's sexy, dog. Like, yo, she have moves, bro. She have moves, man. She got moves, bro. Whoa. The way she's moving on that floor, I can tell that she's a body. She's a body.
And he's ready to blow. I'ma settle him up, hold him down, I'ma settle him up. Ecstasy.
Have you guys seen those boobs, man? Have you guys seen those boobs, bro? I mean, like, her boobs, bro. Her nipples, they are stiff. They are stiff. Trust me, if I was there and I'm there watching this female giddy upping like a Wild Wild West, as she stated earlier, I would ride her all day. I would ride this woman all day. Yo, when I have her like this, I would have her like a Wild Wild West. Incredible.
They call her.
Well, for me, she's gorgeous, bro. She's freaking gorgeous, bro. I do not care what anyone says. She's freaking gorgeous, my G. Come on, baby. Come on. You don't have to do yourself right on the ground, man. You can just come over to my place and we should have business there. From there on out, we are business partners. Trust me, I would not do anything out of the ordinary once it's not business related. Trust me. Trust me.
I'm a real wild bitch, yeah, I'm into. I'm the ride of your life, not a rental. I'm the editor, call me Mr. Info. No vanilla, let's experimental. I'ma show you the ropes, get you whipped.
This song is phenomenal. The song is phenomenal. This is well put together. I mean, like, it's a very good message. Then what else should we need from her? Well, I need something else, but I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you.
And I know you needed something you could sing for. I'm about to perform like I'm on tour. Baby, glad for the encore. Giddy up, it's the Wild Wild West, and I think it's about time for the midnight cowboy.
The beat is awesome. Her sexiness is out of this world. Whoa, whoa, those breasts look so sweet to suck, man. Oh, wow, wow. Those black, beautiful nipples printing out through that marina. I need to see something else. This display is just too, it is just too simple. Look, do you need any company with you? Because I can assure you that I will keep your company right through that rainy time. Trust me, I will not back down. For me, I'm loving her hips, bro. Her hips is quite remarkable. Astounding hips, man.
You better put your
Nice. She better do so now. She better do so.
hands together, make it clap for Miss Jane. That was a performance.
I guess that's it. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.